Okay, so good day sa inyong lahat. So yung topic na di-discuss ko is about yung continuation ng solving quadratic equations by factoring. Kasi maraming problems sa quadratic equation na usually ginagamitan ng factoring, at mostly ito yung mga itsura niya. Pero bago yan, gusto ko lang mag-shoutout sa kaibigan ko, si Engineer Paul Eric Evangelista, tsaka kay Michael De La Isla. Pre, ito na yung susunod na video. Sana abangan nyo. Okay, anyway, so number 1 na magagamit natin yung factoring is in the form of ax squared plus bx equals 0. Then yung second naman is ax squared equals c, or ax squared minus c equals 0. And then yung number 3, yung standard form ng quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So ito yung mga tatlong itsura, no, ng isang quadratic equation. So depende sa situation or sa given equation na may encounter natin sa pagkuha ng solution sa factoring. Okay, so ito yung ating topic. So continuation siya ng solving quadratic equations by factoring. So doon na tayo sa examples. Okay, so first example tayo. So we have 4x squared plus 7x equals 0. So kung makikita nyo, is in the form of ax squared plus bx equals 0. And of course, ang gagamitin natin dyan is factoring. So katulad nung dun sa part 1 na ginawa natin ng video, no, kunin lang natin yung common term ni 4x squared tsaka ni 7x. So in this case, obviously ang common sa kanila is pareho silang mayroong x. So i-factor out natin yun. Then to get the other factors, since ito yung ating common factor, i-divide lang natin isa-isa doon, no? So you have 4x squared divided by x, that is 4x, plus 7x divided by x is 7, equals 0. So yun yung factors natin, that is x and 4x plus 7. Then do sa lesson natin sa factoring, we apply the zero property, no? That is x equals 0, then 4x plus 7 equals 0. Yan. So yan yung ating zero property. So ito na yung unang sagot. So the first solution is x equals 0. And then here you have 4x plus 7 equals 0. Ang gagawin natin is kunin natin yung additive inverse ng 7, which is negative 7. So mag-add tayo ng negative 7 both sides. So negative 7, negative 7. So kaka-cancel na yan. In-add natin. So ang matitira is 4x equals negative 7. Or sa algebra, ang ginagawa is, diba, just simply transpose positive 7 to the right side. Kaya siya magiging negative 7. And then, divide lang natin both sides by 4. So, x is equal to negative 7 over 4. So, ang roots natin, or yung solution natin is 0 and negative 7 over 4. Okay? So, that is our first example. Next, we have x squared plus 4x equals 21. Yan. So, sa case naman ni number 2, hindi pa siya naka-standard form. So, ililipat lang natin yung 21 sa left side. So, from positive 21, this becomes x squared plus 4x 21. So, magiging negative 21 equals 0. O, tinranspose ko na lang para madali. Pero actually, the same with number 1, additive inverse din yun. Mag-add ka ng additive inverse ng 21, which is negative 21. O, ganun din. So, in this case, ito na yung equation natin. X squared plus 4x minus 21 equals 0. So, you can use factoring since the equation is factorable naman. So, pag factoring, ganyan, di ba? Dalawang parenthesis equals 0. So, kukunin natin yung factors ng x squared, which is x. Okay? Next is factors ng 21. So, na ang sum ay positive 4. So, anong number na pag minultiply mo, ang sagot ay negative 21, pag in-add mo is positive 4. So, most likely, ang factors ng 21 na applicable dyan is 7, tsaka 3. Ngayon, ang problema na lang natin is yung sign, no? So, pa-inspection, so, usually kasi dito yung common mistake, no? Kung kanino ibibigay yung negative or yung positive na sign. Kung dito ba ilalagay or doon. So, titingnan muna natin yung dun sa given equation. Since ang dulo ay negative, yung C natin, no? Isa dyan sa dalawang number is positive, yung isa negative. Now, doon tayo sa gitna. Since ang sign ni 4 ay positive, so dapat pag inad natin, positive yung lalabas. So, therefore, ibibigay natin yung positive dun sa mas malaking number. So, x plus 7. And then, yung isa, negative 3. So, yan na yung factors nung equation natin. So, x plus 7 and x minus 3. Now, para lang i-check natin, no? So, x times x squared. 7, yung sa dulo, 7 times negative 3, negative 21. Para makuha natin yung gitna, 7 times x, 7x, plus negative 3x. So, ang nalabas din is positive 4x. So, ito na yun. So, apply na natin yung zero properties. So, you have x plus 7 equals 0. And x minus 3 equals 0. Transpose na lang natin yung 7. So, x equals negative 7. X equals 3. So, the roots or the solution for this equation is negative 7 and 3. Yung pag chinek natin yan, it will satisfy the equation. Kuha tayo ng isa. Check natin yung 3 na lang siguro. Check natin. For the sake of this discussion. Ginawa na rin naman natin to do sa part 1. Pero gawin pa rin natin. So, if x equals 3, doon natin siya ipalit dun sa original equation. So, you have x squared. So, 3 squared plus 4 times 3 equals 21. 3 squared is 9 plus 4 times 3 is 12 equals 21. Then, 9 plus 12, of course, that is 21 equals 21. Ibig sabihin, tama yung solution. Okay. And of course, that is sure with negative 7. Okay? Okay, third example tayo. So, number 3 is 9x squared equals 64. So, So, it is in the form of ax squared equals c. Okay? Actually, pwede na natin gamitin dyan yung extraction square. So, but since ang topic natin is factoring, pwede naman. No? By transposing 64 to the right, left side. So, this becomes 9x squared minus 64 equals 0. Since this is the difference of two terms, so it is factorable by sum and difference of two terms. So, dalawang parenthesis ulit equals 0. So, ang technique dyan is just get the square root of 9x squared, which is 3x. Then, square root ng 64, which is 8. Then, 1 positive and 1 negative. So, yun yung rule sa difference of two squares, diba? So, ang factors natin is 3x plus 8 and 3x minus 8 equals 0. Then, we apply now the 0 property. So, 3x plus 8 equals 0. 3x minus 8 equals 0. Then, just transpose positive 8 on the right side. No? So, algebra na yung gamitin natin. So, 3x equals negative 8. Divide both sides by 3. So, cancel na yun. So, x equals negative 8 over 3. Then, dun sa kabila, you have 3x equals 8. Then, divide both sides by 3. Cancel. X is equal to 8 over 3. So, the roots, the solutions are negative. Actually, that's positive, negative. Pwede na isa. Positive, negative 8 over 3. Yun din yun. Since ang naging example ng equation natin is the difference of two squares naman. Okay? So, yun na yung ating solution. Then, last example natin. We have x squared plus 7x minus 18 equals 0. So, ito yung usual na, no? This is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, you can write now two parentheses. So, you just get the factors of the first term. So, x squared. So, that is x and x. Now, we get the factors of 18. That will give us the sum of 7. So, ang product is negative 18. Ang sum naman is positive 7, which is yung gitna, no? So, most likely, we're going to use 9 and 2. Okay? So, that is 9 times 2. Then, since ang dulo ay negative, so katulad nung example 2 natin kanina, since ang c natin is negative, ang gitna is positive, one of these will be positive, then the other one will be negative. So, kanina ibibigay yung positive, kanina ibibigay yung negative. Doon naman tayo sa gitna. Since ang middle term o yung gitna natin is positive 7, ibibigay natin yung positive sign sa malaking number. Okay? So, dito natin siya ibibigay. Plus. Automatic, ito, minus. Okay? So, ang factors natin is x plus 9 and x minus 2. Oh, if we're going to ibalik natin, no? Ibalik natin. So, x times x squared. 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. Yung sa 7, 9 times x, 9x, plus x times negative 2, which is negative 2x. So, 9 plus negative 2 is positive 7. So, tama yung factors natin. Okay, so we apply now the 0 property. So, x plus 9 equals 0. x minus 2 equals 0. So, transpose lang natin yung 9. So, x equals negative 9. And the other one, x equals positive 2. So, the roots or the solution for this equation is negative 9 and positive 2. And then, if you wish to check, let us check. Subukan natin yung 2. Checking natin. X equals 2. So, x squared. So, 2 squared plus 7 times 2 minus 18 equals 0. 2 squared is 4 plus 14 minus 18 equals 0. 4 plus 14, that is 18 minus 18 equals 0. 0 is equal to 0. So, that will be also good for negative 9. So, tama yung ating solution set. Okay? So, yan na muna. So, thank you for watching and please subscribe, comment, like, and share sa ating YouTube channel, Sir Jello. Thank you. God bless.